The main opposition leader ari kuNelsonchamisa ava vanonyatsoratidza kuti kunyange panguva inoi vasiri involved muactive politics. Aiwa anonyatsoratidza kuti anongorira noda kuti pasocial media kwose the ruling party ZANU-PF ndiye anenge achingotaurwa, anenge achingopiwa the blame, ndiye anenge ari ngori the reason why ZANU-PF inenge ichikonzeresa chaos. Sana pina mashuka mudanyiro panapa ndipo subscribe like on the bell kuti pina mipisa mudanyiro chiti talking point. All this is directed to Nelsonchamisa. Narrative is created to make people think Nelsonchamisa is the reason why ZANU-PF won that constituency. The honest truth is, after Chabangu was helped by ZANU-PF's Speaker of Parliament to recall NelsonchamIsa's MPs from Parliament, it is useless for any opposition candidate to fight to go into Parliament. If opposition win that constituency, is it going to change anything? Again, those who contested as independent against ZANU-PF lost because NelsonchamIsa, who controls popular vote, never endorsed any. All TSHABANGU MPs who refused to leave Parliament are there because they used NelsonchamIsa's name to get into the August House. They are not there for the people, but to fill their stomach. NelsonchamIsa should stay away from the people who want to use his name to get into looting table. Ndio mashaka muda itoko panapa pamsoro aiwa pama MPs vari kuonekwa kunzi panguva inoi aiwa vanhu sezvamukaona 2023 they just used NelsonchamIsa's name to go into Parliament, and then vazosvika imomo vobva vachinja their mandate. Now we are seeing kuti some other opposition MPs nevamwe independent candidates vari kuzama kuda kucontesta but they are failing kupinda muparliament. Noda kuti hapana NelsonchamIsa, vade kwekuri kuti NelsonchamIsa aripo dai vatopinda again. Tudze mafunguro enyu mutudi pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Pinda comment section medu mudze mafunguro enyu, musana subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.